Welcome back to Jot's Shop.
This quick job shows us replacing the Hood Lift Struts on our Ford Explorer. We purchased new hood struts on Amazon. The link is in the description below. As you can see, our Hood Lift Struts don't hold open the Explorer's hood. However, we do have a custom-made high-end hood holder upper. Removing the existing struts is very straightforward. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry the clip out from the strut end. This lets the strut come free of the hood. Do the same procedure on the other end of the strut. You'll notice that the top connection hole is larger than the bottom hole. Take your new strut and snap it on at the bottom. Finally, push your hood up a bit and snap the strut on at the top point. After you have both new struts on, your hood should stay up by itself. Well, that's a wrap on that quick job. We have one more quick job to do, and then we're heading back to the F100 restoration. If you like our videos, please press the like button. Also, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel and press that notification bell. We really would appreciate it.
That's all, folks, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.